Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about character creation in Palworld. In order to do so, here we are in Palworld, and as you can see, we're on the character creation page. You can get here by creating a new world. The first thing it's going to ask you is to change your player name. We're going to go ahead and confirm that. And then from here, you have various options that we can look through. Let's go ahead and take a look at the presets. And you can see here that we have a variety of presets that we can choose through. And you can pick whichever one suits you the best. Then from there, we go to body. And we have body type 1 and type 2. We have skin color. We can change that to whatever we want. And let's see here. We have our torso size. So if we really want to make them nice and big there, we can. And we have our arm size, our leg size, and we even have different face settings here. So you can see here we have several different faces that you can choose from. You could choose whichever one suits you the best. We have our eye type. So we have a variety of options here with our eye type, some interesting stuff. We have our eye color. We even have our eyebrow color. Looks like that changes our beard as well. Then from there, we can go to hair. And you can see here we have a lot of different hair options to choose from. Again, you can choose whichever one suits you the best. And then finally, we have the voice option. And you have 6 different voices that you can choose from. Once you have made all the selections that you wish for your character, then you can go ahead and click on Start Game. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.